Then it has damage on the quarter panel, damage where the rear door mounts at the hinge point.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already up. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm rounding the corner.
I have a small repair here on a Nissan Versa. Small fender repair right in this corner, as well as the bumper cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and work this metal out on this fender and clean up the bumper cover. I'm just going to check and make sure this bumper is fitting up correctly, and then this one will be ready to prime up. I have a Toyota Camry here. This one got wiped out down the side. It's getting 2 new doors. A new rear bumper has damage all in this area I got to repair. Then it has damage on the quarter panel dog leg area right here. Damage where the rear door mounts at the hinge point right here. And then it gets a new front door, new fender. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna first start by working this out, get this mounting point worked out for the rear door so that sits correctly. Then I'll put the rear door on and get it lining up right while I go ahead and repair this quarter panel. So I'm gonna do a little bit of fill work on this hinge mount area. And here's a little trick for you guys. I took a old just extra bolts and I cut the heads off, and I cut a slot for a flathead screwdriver. And in order to keep from getting filler in the threads, I just run this in. Then I could do my fill work, and then I thread these back out, and then it keeps the threads clean. Just like that. So I have these doors sitting on here, and I got them lined up pretty decent. I'll probably have to shuffle them a little bit more, but my gaps are pretty even right now. But now you can see how far in this dog leg section is from the rear door. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to weld a couple tabs on here on the edge there to pull that out, to get that metal to where it's lining up with the rear door correctly right there. And once I get that to where that's correct, I might shuffle the doors a little more, and we'll be looking pretty good at that point. Alright, I got the two deepest points out. Now I need to get here in the middle. I'm probably going to use that right there. I'm going to weld that on there, and that should bring the rest of it out and get it evened out. I had to get those two deepest points out first though. I'm going to put a few more tabs on a few low spots here. I'll mark them. One there,